Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog. Stop struggling with uneven glue-ups and expensive clamps that never seem to do the job right. If your tabletops come out misaligned, uneven, or require endless sanding, the problem is not your skill, it's how you apply pressure. And the solution might already be sitting in your scrapwood pile. Today we're looking at 5 genius wooden edge clamp ideas you can build using only scrap wood. These simple jigs will help you control alignment, apply even pressure, and achieve clean, professional glue-ups every time, without spending money on expensive hardware. If you've ever glued up boards for a tabletop, you already know how frustrating it can be. Boards slide out of place, edges don't line up, and clamps alone don't always fix the problem. Adding more clamps doesn't always help, it often just adds more complexity. But here's the key idea. Successful glue-ups are not about force alone, they're about controlled pressure and alignment. And that's exactly what these wooden clamp systems are designed to do. Let's start with the first and most powerful idea, the wedge pressure clamp. This is one of the simplest yet most effective clamping methods. It uses 2 fixed rails and a set of opposing wedges. As you tap the wedges inward, they create strong, adjustable pressure that pulls your boards tightly together. The more you tap, the tighter the joint becomes. What makes this system so useful is its flexibility. You can adjust pressure instantly, reuse the wedges, and scale the setup for different panel sizes. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for long glue-ups where even pressure is critical. The second idea is the caul clamp system. Cauls are slightly curved wooden bars placed across your boards during glue-up. When you apply pressure, they flatten out and push the boards into alignment. This prevents uneven surfaces and keeps everything level. This system is especially important if you want to reduce sanding later. By keeping boards flush during the glue-up, you save time and effort in finishing. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in your final result. If you're finding this helpful, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. We focus on practical woodworking ideas that help you work smarter and get better results with less effort. The third idea is the screw block clamp. This system uses wooden blocks combined with threaded rods or bolts. By tightening the screws, you apply controlled, even pressure across your boards. Unlike quick clamps, this method allows for precise adjustments. It's also very stable. Once tightened, it holds everything firmly in place without slipping. This makes it ideal for glue-ups where accuracy is more important than speed. The fourth idea is the sliding bar clamp. This design gives you flexibility. It uses a wooden rail with movable clamp blocks that slide into position. This allows you to adjust your setup quickly depending on the size of your panel. Instead of building a new jig for every project, you can reuse the same system and simply reposition the clamps. It's efficient, adaptable, and great for workshops where space and time matter. The fifth and final idea is the full panel clamp frame. This is the most complete solution. A wooden frame surrounds your panel and applies pressure from multiple directions. It keeps everything aligned, prevents movement, and distributes force evenly across the entire surface. While it takes a bit more time to build, it offers the most consistent results. If you regularly make tabletops or panels, this system can completely transform your workflow. What makes these 5 ideas so powerful is that they focus on the fundamentals: alignment, pressure, and control. Instead of relying on expensive tools, you're building smart systems that work with your materials and improve your results. Another important idea is consistency. When you use the same jigs repeatedly, your process becomes faster and more reliable. You spend less time fixing mistakes and more time building. As you start using these clamp systems, you'll notice something important. Glue-ups become easier. Boards stay in place, joints close cleanly, and your finished surfaces require far less sanding. The entire process becomes more efficient and more enjoyable. If you've made it this far, take a moment to like the video and tell us which of these clamp ideas you would try first. Your feedback helps us create more content that fits your needs. Another advantage of these systems is that they grow with your workshop. You can expand them, modify them, or combine them depending on your projects. This makes them a long-term solution, not just a quick fix. Presentation and setup also matter. Keeping your workspace organized and planning your glue-ups ahead of time can make a huge difference. When everything is ready before you apply glue, the process becomes smoother and less stressful. By the end of this video, it should be clear that perfect glue-ups are not about having more clamps. It's about using smarter clamping methods. With just a few pieces of scrap wood, you can create powerful tools that give you clean, professional results every time. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Craft Catalog for more practical woodworking ideas, smart jigs, and simple solutions that improve your workshop. Thank you for watching, and we hope these ideas help you turn your scrap wood into tools that actually make your work easier. Goodbye and see you in the next video.